Hello everyone, it is Susie and I hope everybody's doing great today. Alright, so I have another Your Creative Studio box. Just got in from the post office, haven't even ripped the tape back yet. This is the January box, so let's check it out. Okay, let's just check it out here. Let me get it all undone. Yep, I just got it in the mail. So, all right, let's see what we've got here. Oh, I love these boxes. Okay. All right, so the card tells everything that is in the box. So, let's see what we have here. And I'm so far behind on getting anything made in my boxes. I can tell you, it's just pretty crazy how far behind I am. Alright, so let's get started. That's a thick little thing there. Okay, so let's see here. We have some Admit One tickets. And that is like the sticky notes. That's exactly what those are. They're the sticky notes, okay? Oh, some more of these fun ones. Now, I love these. I love these. Okay, so let's see. Oh, these got some stickers in them as well. Those are like your seals. But now these are always fun. So those are going to be, and they are perforated. They are going to tear apart 3 different ones. So there's 1, 2, and then, whoops, I didn't get that one ripped just right because I didn't hold my thing up. But anyway, you got 3 of them. Those are fun. Those are always fun. I always loved those. Let's see here. Oh, what is this? Movie review. That's another like sticky note. So that is cute. Another sticky. Let's see what we've got here. This is some kind of, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's just a notepad. Oh, I like that. It's just real light on there. So that is just a notepad is what that is. That is fun. All right, let's see what we've got. A cling stamp. Looks like a, just looks like a movie camera. Maybe. Yes. And you know what's fun is I actually have a paper pad that I have bought from, I want to say Ciao that I have never used yet, and I keep looking at it. I have it in the other room, and I keep looking at it. So here is a fun, this would be a fun sticker to use in that. Okay, we've got a washi tape here. This is a washi. Oh, and it's movie washi tape. How cute. I'm going to take a little bit of it out here. Yes, that is super cute. I got it upside down. So that is really cute. It's got Admit One, and it's very vintage. So that is going to be a good washi tape. All right, so what have we got here? Cinema. Looks like a ticket. Stamp. Oops. This is a pretty good size stamp. Oh, look at that. Awesome. That is really nice. Okay, there's that. I love the theme of this one. Little black book. Oh, that's cute. Oh, there's airmail. They're just little labels. Yeah, there's the airmail one. Oh, those are nice. I like those. There's some little darker craft looking ones. And then this is like a vellum. Yeah. Like a really lightweight vellum too, not a stiff vellum. So those are cute. Best wishes. Yep. Handle with care. That's really cute. Alright, so there is that. And let's see what is in this one. This is a chunky little monster here. Oh, how cute. You know what these would be great for? These are really cute. Look at that. That's a botanical. Wouldn't that be cute? But these would be great for, these are like little newspaper prints here. Altered paper clips. They are almost just the right size for an altered paper clip. And there's like a, almost like mixed media look to it, you know, like the, yeah. Cool. Yeah, this would be perfect for, oh, look at the bird. For an altered paper clip. Oh, I like that too. That is absolutely adorable. And some more like book page. Yeah. There's several different designs in here, actually. An old ad. Yep. Alright, so that is really cute. But altered paper clips, that's what those would be perfect for. Perfect size. Alright, and this is like some paper ruler. And I'm not going to open that one because we can kind of see exactly what's in there. That's cute. Nice and vintage looking. Here are some stickers. All popcorn, soda pop. I haven't been to the movies in ages. You know that? It has been probably several years since I have been to the movies. I used to like to go and take... my nephew and niece, but I just haven't, well, ever since the coronavirus and they all shut down, but I just haven't been in quite some time. These are like a vellum. That's what these are. These are really cute. A nice vellum. Oh, that's really pretty right there. Yeah, another good box. I tell you guys, these are just, oh, now this is like this is paper here. Look at that. Are these not darling? And with spring coming up, those are absolutely darling. Oh, look at that one. Oh, and I like that one too. Yeah, awesome box. Again. Look how many's in here too. There's a lot. Oh, that one's really pretty too. All right, that'd be good for spring journal there. All right, that's just really, really fall 1928. John Lewis Child Seed Company. That's really cute. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the box. And these are, sometimes I can't tell if they have, some of these have a sticky backing on them. And some of them don't. Yep, this has got a sticky backing, so it'll peel off and stick. Oh, that looks like Dracula. That's cute. That's very vintage. So cute. There's a mermaid. Come and watch the movie. All movie themed. How cute. Love it. Alright guys, so this is the January box. Really want to get something made. Like I said, I am so far behind right now. I have at least 3 boxes now that I have not done anything with. So I am going to have to get myself together and start getting some stuff made. So Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed another unboxing. Amanda does, well, I say it every month, she just absolutely does a wonderful job getting these boxes together. I just am always excited when we get a new box and I get to open it and share it with you guys. And of course, I do appreciate you going over and ordering from Amanda. I absolutely appreciate that. Guys, have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video.